Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're going to be making a beet apple ginger red kraut. This is one of the prettiest sauerkrauts you can make. The red cabbage and beets do an amazing job of keeping that vibrant color even after fermentation, and the additions of apple and ginger means that this is one of the tastiest ferments too. The consistency in this recipe is really fun because we chop the beets and the apples both into matchstick size, so it really blends in with the cabbage and you don't quite know what's in each bite. It's delicious. We'll be using the FarmSteady fermentation kit in this recipe, which is a ½ gallon, so definitely scale if you're using something else. Links to the recipe as well as our fermentation kits are in the description, and definitely subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. But let's get started making this red kraut. For this recipe, you'll need 1 head of red cabbage, 1 beet, cut into matchsticks, an apple, cut that into matchsticks too, and some fresh ginger. This one's super fresh, grated, and salt. Cut your cabbage in half, then in quarters, and remove the core. Then thinly slice all that cabbage into ribbons. Add your salt and get crunching. I'm wearing gloves just because the red cabbage and beets can definitely dye your hands. As you massage your cabbage, it's going to get a little bit softer and start to release liquid. Now add your beets, apple, and that grated ginger. There you go. And now mix that all together. You want it fully incorporated, but don't want to break up those apple sticks too much. Now let's get it all into your fermenter. You want to fit in as much as you can, so push down with your fists to make room for more. And make sure you add all that liquid too. Add your reserved cabbage leaf. This will help keep everything down. And then your glass fermentation weight. Top with your lid. And airlock. And ferment away. Because of the apples and beets in this recipe, this sauerkraut's going to have a little bit of a higher sugar content and might ferment a little bit faster. That means you'll see some more active bubbling than you might be used to, and if you have a super active fermentation, some of this purple liquid might actually get into the airlock. Nothing to worry about, just rinse it out and replace. And while we normally ferment most sauerkraut recipes for a full week, check this one after 5 days. It might still go 7, but it might go a little bit quicker just because of all that extra sugar. And if you're new to this channel, definitely subscribe. We're always coming out with new recipes for fermented hot sauce, sauerkraut, different fermented vegetables, kombucha, and more. So definitely let us know in the comments what you want to see, and we'll keep these videos coming.